Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today we are going to be doing an updated skincare routine. I have not updated you guys on my new skincare routine for the year 2023. I do have 4 new products that I've been using in the last 4 months, and no, in the last 3 months or so, and I want to share that with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let us get right into it. So I'm going to just put it out there in case you guys hear tweeting birds outside. My window is open. That is because I want the fresh air, and yeah, it is helping me keep calm, so bear with that. So I do have 4 new products that I have been using in the last 3 to 4 months, and they have significantly helped improve my skincare game. I currently do not have any skincare product on my face other than toner. I scrubbed a little bit, and here I am with my face, no extra product other than my toner. So we are going to come introduce treatments to this face. So the first thing that I have, again, always tone your face. The reason why I did not bring my toner to do it on here is because you guys are familiar with my toner. Is the Lancome Clarific toner. So yeah, but the first product we are going to go in today is with this the ordinary niacinamide, 10% niacinamide and 10% zinc. Niacinamide and zinc are very core skincare product for people that are acne prone. If you do not know that today, no, I know there's a lot of rave about niacinamide, but people rarely ever talk about zinc. Now, zinc is a very important skincare product because it helps with the healing of your skin and soothing of your skin, most especially if you are acne prone skin, so, and pigmentation as well. So I've been using this. As you can see, I've been using a lot of it. I barely have anything left, and the reason why I have not shared it with you guys is because I have another content coming up that is going to tell you guys how you can use this in comparison with another product. So we won't go deep into that, but it's just a gel like product, and it's all clear, and you just rub it. When you rub it, it kind of makes this foamy texture on your hand and even on your face. And there's this immediate dewiness that this leaves to the skin. As you can see, there is an immediate dewiness that you would notice once you use niacinamide, and that is one thing with niacinamide. It is known for leaving your skin dewy and glowy. I am patting it on, and that is how you should really use your treatment product until it totally absorbs into your skin and it dries up. And this has really helped with my pigmentation issues, most especially on this side. Ignore this place, it's just extra shadow. However, it is a lot lighter, as you can see. And also this place, these are my problem sides on my face. I've shared that on this channel before, but because of the shadow from my curtain, it is kind of deepening this side more than it should be. The next product that I have here is the azelaic acid. It is hard to pronounce. It is the azelaic acid. This is the 10% suspension, and it is also a brightening formula. There has been this back and forth between both of this product, people trying to make one sit above the other. Like I said, I'm going to bring a video to that effect to explain why they would work independently but better when you use them together. So this is just a cream texture, all clear, no scent. Even the niacinamide does not have any scent to it or any smell, and this one just smells like medicine, like paracetamol. So when you rub it, it actually disappears, and you just gently smoothen this over your skin. You don't have to like work it, you just want to leave it to smooth it over your skin. If possible, press it on instead of just leaving it there. Again, problem area, neck, and I have really used this to work on my neck, and I have seen a lot of results. So like I have said, I'm going to be bringing a video on these two products, so stay tuned for that, because these are products you should not joke with. These two products you should not joke with it. Nobody should tell you that one is better than the other, or use one and leave the other. You need these two products, and I'm going to share that with you guys in another video. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, the next product here is my new moisturizer, and this is the Clarins Bright Plus dark spot targeting moisturizing emulsion. This is what I used to replace my Dr. Dennis Gross moisturizer. They work around the same way. Like, I think this is, at this point, this is even way better than that. One of the reasons why it was easier for me to stop using my Dr. Dennis Gross is because it contained vitamin C. And again, if you have a product that has vitamin C, it will be counterproductive for you to use a product with vitamin C versus a product with niacinamide. Again, stay tuned for that video. So that was one reason again that I had to stop using my Dr. Dennis Gross. Other than that, again, it is expensive and the quantity is really, really small. So I got this I got a sample size of this, and I tried it and I really loved it. Then I went on to do more research about it, and everything Clarins is plant-based. It is all white again, but it is scented, mildly scented, not too much. And you know, for everything Clarins, you will get some sort of rich, luxurious scent that does not affect the quality of the product. So this is how my moisturizer goes, and this again has just been very magical in my skincare routine in the last 3 months, or a month. I think I've been using this one for less than 3 months, but it has been really wonderful in my routine. I love how it works for me, and yeah, I see results and I see the benefits of it. One thing about one of these products, again, I'm going to talk about, is the creating of lint on your face. I don't know whether to call it lint, but crumbling up. But yeah, anyways, that is it for the moisturizer that I use. This is more volume, more affordable, works amazingly well. So yeah, so this is the face right now with moisturizer on. The next product we are going to be using today, and the final product, is going to be the UV Plus Pollution from Clarins. This anti-pollution rather from Clarins. This is a mineral sunscreen. They also do have tinted ones, so if you do not like mineral sunscreen, you can actually get it in your skin tone, but I don't want skin tints. They are hard to work with, most especially if you are someone if you're Muslim and you have to always perform wudu. It is counterproductive. So this a little goes a long way. And one thing with your sunscreen is that, most especially mineral sunscreen, always shake, and you can hear there is always a ball. I'm bringing it closer to the microphone. There is always a ball in your sunscreen if it's a good sunscreen. I don't know what object it is. I've tried to, maybe with this one I'll do an experiment and actually open up the bottle and see what is always that tiny ball thing that is inside the sunscreen. But again, with this, is a mineral sunscreen, but a little goes a long way. This does not just help prevent against skin pollution and, you know, how do I put it, like sun sensitivity. It also brightens the skin, so you're getting more, you know, with more. It is not, I think it's around 40 something or 20 something dollars. I can't really remember the price today, but yeah, this is what it, I love the sheen that it gives. It does not leave a film if you don't overuse it. If you take too much, obviously you're going to have a tint of the ashiness. But if you use enough, again, like I said, a little goes a very, very long way. So you have the perfect protection on your skin. You don't need much. Always I say always forget, don't forget your neck. Always come down to your neck, and as you can see, there is no film on my face except glow, dewiness, and gorgeous skin. So yeah, this is my current favorite. I used to use the niacinamide, the Glow Recipe niacinamide crossover product, which was a mineral and a chemical sunscreen, but it was working to keep my skin healthy. But I just got over it. Like, I've been using it since they launched it, so I wanted something different, and I went back to using this one. This is also ideal for aging skin, like if you're on the aging side, like for 30 something and above. You want to be very intentional about what you use on your skin, because the skin at different ages and stages in life need different things, and the older you get, the top notch, the more you need very intentional ingredients in your product that will help keep your skin healthy and looking youthful. And that is the goal, to keep looking youthful in life. Yes, there is nothing wrong with that, but I still want to age, but I just want to do it the right way. So this is all I have for my updated skincare routine 2023. These are the current products that I have added to my routine. Nothing new just yet. Let us add a little bit of gloss to our lip to complement the glow on the face. By the way, this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser, the hint. It's just a lip balm. So yeah, this is complete. Anyways, this is what I have added to my new skincare products, my new skincare routine. 4 products that I absolutely, sorry about that. 4 products that I absolutely love. I hope you guys get to try it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm also going to try to link them in my description box. Honestly, I forget to do that all the time, but always head over to my Instagram. The link on my Instagram will always take you to my LTK shop, where everything is always linked there for you to shop for, so you don't have to worry about that. And again, I will try as much as possible to link that in my description box this time around. So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up for seeing my next video. Bye and stay blessed.